Yo, manual resistance standing calf raises. This is best done off of an adjustable incline bench. We're using the edge of the bench to extend the range of motion, get more range of motion through the ankle, better stretch of the calves, which is key to gains and also the mobility requirements of this program as a built-in warm-up to this workout. Now, using this, okay, you can do this 3-minute set without adding the manual resistance. What it's gonna do is allow you to manually challenge yourself on both the ascent and descent maximally over the course of the set. You're gonna get a lot of muscular pump here. This is pump and burn, cellular swelling, a great metabolic stress response, and again, awesome gains at the level of the ankle in terms of mobility. So you're gonna crunch the abs, squeeze the glutes, tense the thighs. You want everything straight. I don't want to be swaying back like this. It's all through the ankle. I'm off the edge. I'm going to go slow up, slow down, distinct pause at top and bottom. So here we go. On the way up, I'm going to push against the bench to make it harder to get up. So I'm actually pushing against my upper body resistance, and then I'm going to be pushing down as well and fighting that. So it's going to want to push me down fast. I'm going to fight to slowly lengthen on the descent. So here we go. Get nice and set. I'm going to push slow, push, 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 push. Get a full squeeze at the top, full squeeze. Contract those calves. And then I'm pushing myself down, but fighting it on the descent. I hold that good stretch position for at least a count. Push, 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 push. Slow, slow, fight, 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 fight. And keep repeating that pattern. If you don't have an ability to get an adjustable incline bench, to apply the manual resistance, just do it with your body weight. It'll still be super challenging, but again, this will allow you to max out the gains with just equipment-free situations in terms of no load, which is tough. Most won't have a standing calf machines you can load up, so this is what one of my favorite options to really get in there. And again, great way to start any workout because you mobilize the ankle joint, all your lower body moves that follow, you'll most likely get in better positions.